do solemnly promise upon honor that I shall seriously study the teachings of Rizal and endeavor to put into practice, always keeping in mind the order's motto, non omnis moriat, meaning not everything in me will die. I shall work for a perfect union among the members of my community. I shall do no wrong and shall protect and defend my fellow men against all violence and injustice. I shall endeavor, as far as possible, to extend assistance to my brother knight and fellow men to enhance their program and promote their welfare. And finally, I shall uphold and obey strictly the bylaws of the order and its rules and regulations.
Ako si ay muling sumusumpa bilang isang maginoong makarisal na palalaganapin ko sa lahat ng paraang nasa kapangyarihan ko at sa ibabaw ng lahat sa aking mga kilos at gawa ang simulay ng aral ng martir ng bagong bayan. Isang dakilang halimbawa, lalo na ang mga kabataang pag-asa ng bayan. Natularan si Rizal sa kanyang makabayang simulain at gawain. Pilipinas ay maging dakila sa maligayang bansa at maligayang bansa. Iginagalang at hinahangaan ng lahat ng tao na nagbibigay diwa at katotohanan sa mga pangarap ng ating pambansang bayani. At sa wakas, isinusumpa kong itatalaga ang aking sarili at sisikapin kong laging mamuhay ayon sa inaasahan at tumatalima sa mga pananagutan ng maginoong punong makarisal. Ang mga maginoong makarisal ay narito ngayon at ang mga saksi sa taimtim na pananumpa na aking isinasagawa at sinasagawa. Maraming salamat po.
It is patriotic ideas and endeavor, spread his teachings,
and make effective his exemplary and exalted principles.
his exemplary principles.
I pledge finally
that
I shall ever
dedicate
to
myself
the lofty goals
and objectives
of the order,
and strive always
to live up
to
to the
the expectation and comply with the obligation of a Knight Commander of Rizal, Knight of Rizal, here present, our witnesses, the solemn promise I hereby make.
Please remain standing. May I ask Lady Henry Amboy to come over.
Kasama po yung asawa. Here's the official certificate for the third degree rank awarded to Sir Henry Amboy. Order of the Knights of Rizal, chartered under Republic Act 646, Supreme Council, Manila, Philippines, not Miss Norian. The Supreme Commander, by virtue of the authority and he invested by the Constitution and bylaws of the Order of the Knights of Rizal, hereby confers on Sir Henry Amboy, KCR, Cagliari Chapter, Italy, the third degree rank of the Order Knight Commander of Rizal, or KCR, in recognition of his exemplary service to the national welfare, sustained dedication to the propagation of the values, ideals, and teachings of Jose Rizal, and unceasing pursuit of the lost objectives and goals of the Order as mandated by its charter. Given in the city of Cagliari, Italy, this 11th day of August 2013, on the 102nd year of the Order, the 117th anniversary of the martyrdom, and the 152nd birthday anniversary of Dr. Jose Rizal. During the chartering knighthood ceremonies of the Order of the Knights of Rizal, Cagliari Chapter, signed Sir Regis Romero II, KGCR, Supreme Commander, and attested by Sir Abilino B. Torres, KGOR, Supreme Pursuivant.
Okay, this will be the last one. This is the charter certificate of the Cagliari chapter. Order of the Knights of Rizal, chartered under Republic Act number 646, Supreme Council, Manila, Philippines. Know only that the Supreme Council of the Knights of Rizal has granted, and by this presence, thus hereby granted, to the members whose names are affixed to the application for charter formation, duly approved by the Supreme Council, and to all regularly elected members thereof and their successors, this charter fully constituting them into a local chapter of the Order under the name and title of Cagliari Chapter, Italy, with all the rights and privileges appertaining to the chapters and members and records of the Knights of Rizal, according to its charter and amended bylaws now in force, and of those to be hereafter promulgated. This chapter shall be in full force and effect from the date hereof, and for such times as the chapter and the members thereof shall conform with and abide by the charter and amended bylaws of the Knights of Rizal, as well as the resolutions, rules, and regulations promulgated by the Supreme Council and the Supreme Council. And on this, the 102nd year of the and the 107th year of the martyrdom of Dr. Jose Rizal, and on the occasions of the chartering knighthood ceremonies held here at Cagliari, Italy. Signed Sir Regis M. Romero II, KGCR Supreme Commander, and attested by Sir Abilino V. Torres, KGOR Supreme Pursuivant. Thank you.
Diyan po lang kayo. Please remain standing. 1 second na lang po ito. Bilang pagpapaalala, ito po ngayon ang chapter commander ninyo. Pwede ba tumayo po yung ating pwede na kayo dito bilang po na delegasyon ng higher command sa Europe, hindi po kami lagi nakakarating sa mga event na ginagawa ng Knights of Rizal sa iba't ibang lugar.
Sa atin pong Regional Commander, si Mr. Tony Guansin, and kay Sir Mari Pahando from Belgium, and kay Sir Emerson Malapitan for Modena, and sa ating pong Deputy Commander, dyan sa kanya po na siya po ang naging tulay ng ating pagiging chapter. Nagkaroon po ng katuparan ng chapter ng Calgary chapter. Siya po ang naging tulay para makipagtugayan sa iba't ibang high-ranking official na Europe. At ating po pala mga presidente ng mga kababayan. Maraming salamat po.
Salamat po. Meron po tayong intermission, meron pa tayong nalalabing programa, pero meron po tayong mga special show i-prepare ng ating mga responsible sa araw na ito. Kaya umupo muna tayo, magkaroon po tayo ng 14 break. Salamat po.